Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, the 16th, I think. Youth Day, whatever. Yes, I am wearing the same hoodie, but I'm gonna get my shocks shortened today because I lowered it by the torsion bar and it's still on the stock shocks. It like knocks, so like the shocks bottom out and everything. So now I'm gonna go down to Paro from a contact that I got from someone, and I'm gonna get my shocks shortened, and I'm gonna try to bring you guys through the process so that you guys can see how they cut shocks and everything. Not how they cut shocks, but yeah, how they cut shocks, how they get it shortened. And then I'll also leave their I'll also obviously ask permission to leave their details and stuff in the description down below. So I'll see you guys there. How do you know where to put the dent?
Hey?
How do you know where to put the dent?
I put the bolt through the hole now. Put it in, put the bolt through the hole, and I knocked it in. You see, then it made a dent exactly where the bolt must be.
Feel back.
No more knocking noises! I like this!
Just driving through the area, testing it out.
Wear your seatbelts, kids! Wear your seatbelts, kids!
Hey guys, so it's actually almost a week later. It's the Monday after I did my shocks. I was gonna end the vlog then, but after I went to Matthew, we filmed a couple things there while he was in the car driving my car for me, as you guys could see. I ran out of space and I couldn't really end my vlog, and then afterwards I had to go straight from Matthew to work, and my battery died just as I was gonna end the vlog. So I just thought, okay, it's fine, I'll just end it another day. But at the moment, right now, I'm just busy I'm gonna, you know, do some things. I'm just gonna try to spray that brake drum. But anyway, review on the drive. The car drives 10 times better than it did before. The suspension, the shocks don't knock anymore. They do still knock, but I really have to go into a bump at the speed, or like it has to be like a proper bump for me to actually get my shocks to bottom out. But other than that, the only problem I have at the moment is my mud flaps. As you can see, my mud flaps are quite low to the ground. Those are scraping when I take a turn, because I tested it at work. I went down Kloof Road, I went down Campsway Drive, I went up, I went everything, and then when I came down to the speed and I take a turn, and I can actually hear the mud flap scraping. So that's not much of a problem. There's not much I can do besides raise the car, which I'm not gonna do. So I'm actually probably just gonna take off the mud flaps whenever if I ever go like on a run or a track day or whatever, which I will do. And then I'm probably just gonna flip the top hats inside the engine bay, and then yeah. But anyway, I'll leave all the guys links in the description, the contact details in the description, so that you guys can contact them if you need your shock shortened or air suspension installed and everything. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.